Introducing the pinnacle of precision in orthodontics, AutoSetup. Engineered for excellence, this innovative tool allows for meticulous editing of the arch curve by enabling direct manipulation of the arch itself. Navigate complex cases with ease. AutoSetup's distalization feature intelligently avoids collisions, while symmetrical editing and real-time teeth movement offer dynamic control for perfect symmetry. Crafted for customization, AutoSetup's low arch plane editing allows for meticulous control over the dental arch, ensuring each treatment is as unique as your patient's smile. Elevate orthodontic outcomes with AutoSetup's occlusal plane adjustments. Tailor every treatment with precision, defining the functional harmony of bite and aesthetics. Experience the synergy of occlusion and occlusal plane activation with AutoSetup. Perfectly aligned teeth with an enhanced view of the bite plane, for outcomes that go beyond expectations.